Hi, my name is Alejandra Moreno from the second semester, and today, September 15, 2025, I am preparing to teach English to children. I know that I must consider their unique characteristics and the ways they learn best. First, English teachers need to be creative because children learn through imagination and play. Also, using game and even outdoor activities help kinesthetic learners stay engaged and motivated. Second, it's important to keep the language simple so children can understand and follow instruction easily. Scaffolding is also essential because it allows children to build knowledge step by step. In addition, teachers can make classes more fun and dramatic by changing the tone of voice and using gestures. At the same time, we need to be patient when children are energetic or distracted and gently guide them back to the activity. Another important point is to help children control frustration by reminding them of the purpose of the activity. We can support their focus and motivation. Finally, since children have different learning styles, we must use a variety of strategies to include everyone. By understanding children's needs and teaching with potential, creative, and joy, we can truly inspire them to love learning English. I hope this information is helpful and thank you for listening. See you next time.